beautiful day it is. Indeed it is. Yes, it's gonna be a lovely... I feel like someone's looking at me. Oh, hi. Hi there. It's your boy Mr20west in the building. Today is just not a normal day. It is a vlog day. And let me just say, it's not like any vlog I ever did. You know what? I think I need to change the fit. Change me, baby. This that Atlanta look, boy. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you gotta do your arms like that. Yeah. I just want to take this moment and tell you I look like a baby T-Rex about to eat something. Look at me. Yeah. Nah. This ain't it. I'm almost there. But this ain't it. Oh yeah, I'm feeling this. This it. This it. I'm ready for the vlog now, baby. Check out the back. If you're not already subscribed, like, do all that, baby. Follow your boy. Let's go. Give fire, baby. Give fire. Give fire. Hey, let me stop playing. Let's go ahead and get this vlog started, y'all. My bad. Well, all right. Let's go and get that going too. So, like I said, I'm in this V8 Mustang 2020. Oh man, I got the freaking GoPro remote going. I got my regular GoPro app going. I got the GoPro over there. I got the GoPro in my head. Man, we getting extra crispified today, man. We are, man. No lies, all truths. Man, I think I got 2 hours on the camera on my head, and then I got like 4 hours on the camera on the dash. Today is gonna be a good photo op day. Not really so much as the freaking the views, because the sun is you can, well, you can't, well, yes you can. You can see, as you can see, the sun ain't out. It's been raining for the past 4 days, so it's been crazy. But I'm finally getting able to I'm able to go out. Oh, that's a pillow on a block. I'm able to go out and take beautiful 2020 Mustang out GT, man. I am so excited, man. You know, ever since me and my girl been engaged, she been like slick telling me of things that she always wanted to do and stuff, and her dreams and aspirations, and I've been watching her go through school and all that, man. You know, she just finished getting her doctorate degree. You can check out her Brown Eyes Yogini page, and she'll definitely tell you the story behind that. But like, man, I'm telling you, ever since we linked up, it's just been blessings upon blessings upon blessings upon blessings. You know what I mean? I was blessed to get my ES330 Lexus. I didn't even, you know, that was like a good birthday gift for me. My FZ have been brought back together. My girl went from a 250 to a 600. Matter of fact, it was, what was it? Kawasaki 250 to a Kawasaki ZX6R. You know what I mean? 2009, that thing nasty. Then she was able to get the EcoBoost, and we just recently got the GT, which was on a Monday. You know what I mean? Like President's Day. But we out here, boy. Well, we are out here in 2020, boys and girls, in the GT. Like, I am freaking speechless. This car is remarkable, bro. I'm not even gonna like lie to you. When I got in it, I'm not gonna like, I was very skeptical. Very, very, very skeptical. This whole time I was like, you know, I'll be seeing people in Mustangs with their little face mask on. I see them with their mask off. I do think them sliding, the way they be sliding and whipping around in the parking lots, that's dope. I was able to do my first burnout in this car, and I was just like, bro, this is legit lit. Like, I see why people get in these type of cars and just feel like they killing it, because they are, you know what I mean? Yeah, so, you know, to be honest with you, I'm kind of confused as to what this is. I thought they would have more carbon fiber in here, because in the EcoBoost they had the carbon fiber, but there is no carbon fiber in here. They got the black there. Maybe that'll be one of the mods that we get going to, is to have the carbon fiber on here, because I like carbon fiber, and yeah, we should pretty much bring that in there. The plan is for me, I'm about to teach myself how to wrap, because my girl told me she wanted to wrap the car, so I totally want to be able to wrap the car. I'm more of a hands-on person, so I'll never be one of those people to say, I'll just take it to a shop and let them do it. Now, if it came down to motor work, yeah, of course, the shop is where it's at. Oh. But when it come down to like something paint-wise, I try my best to learn as much as I can. I worked in a shop for like maybe a year and a half. So, you know, and I still got that good relations with the guy at Lynn Marcus Customs. Shout out to Marcus, bro. Like, that dude's legit lit. So I was able to pick up a lot of skills from over there and learn some things before I had to ultimately give it up, because I moved to the other side of the earth, and yeah, it wasn't economically friendly for me. I was learning so much over there, bro. I miss living on the east side. I ain't gonna lie to you, but that's a dangerous side to be on. I plan on doing a motor vlog over there soon, so you know, if I go over there, you know, yeah, boy, I gotta have the thing. But anyway, boy, today we're gonna take some pictures of this thing. I'm meeting up with my homeboy. He got a 2020 Mustang GT, and he got a lot more mods. I mean, he done had it for I think a couple months now, so we're gonna do an interview with him and talk about his car and maybe get some rolling shots of it. And yeah, we ain't got long. I think we only got like 3 hours before it rains again. So with this rain holding up right now, I'm about to go to the park and get some freaking awesome shots there. And I got another place that I'm thinking I might roll up on real quick and get some shots. It's really like ridiculous today. It's really a ridiculous day. Ooh. Oh my God. She done let me get in this thing. Jesus. This is ridiculous. Please like, subscribe, boy. I got more of these type vlogs coming. Let's go and stop that camera over there. This head camera is probably all I need today. I'm not gonna lie to you. Feeling this. I'm feeling this head camera today. As you can see, I got the GoPro Hero 7 II for the in-face vlog. So this is a vlog on vlog situation, bro. I'm catching all red lights too. This is garbage. This is complete trash. Why would you do this to me, universe? This is hard. Like, I'm looking at this right here, and this is crazy, man. This 2020 thing is insane, man. I cannot believe this. Like, when they say 2020 is a good year, this is a good year, man. This is a real good year. Random moment. I don't know who dog that is, but yeah, he definitely is enjoying his best lost life. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hide in the car real quick. I don't play with Rendos. Sorry, Rendo dog. Yeah, you're not even like a vicious dog, but I ain't got time to be dealing with you, bro. I'm not gonna shoot you, cause I don't want to put down no damn dog. I'd rather put down somebody trying to freaking hurt me than a freaking dog. It's clearly lost. Where you at? Hey. Oh, man. Wait a second. The dog got a collar? Oh, wait a second. That's somebody's dog, bro. Oh, man. Do I gotta do the right thing and, like, chase after it? Oh, freak. That is just not cool at all, bro. Is that around? That's... man. I'm gonna see if it come. Fuck it. Let me see. Look at it. It's looking at me like, bruh, I don't know you. Oh, it's coming. No, it's not. No, it's totally not coming. It's a wild dog, bro. I don't know. Oh, life of TiVo. I gotta do the right thing. I can't just walk away from this damn dog. Now it's part of my life. Damn it. Nope. Let's see how this turns out. Hey, turns out the dog's not lost. It's an old guy over there. It's his dog. Hey, the dog right there. It's his dog. Hey, it went that way. Maybe he's not chasing. I don't know. What's the dog name? I don't think he's aware that his dog just ran that way. Oh, this is an interesting dynamic. Maybe I'll just take pictures. I'll just take pictures of the car. Yeah. Okay. Whew. Jesus. I just need pictures of the car, bro. That's all I need. I need to stop worrying about this man and his dog. I can't do it. Oh, he's looking for. Yeah, apparently, that's his dog. That was his dog. So the dog, it just had a happy ending. Yeah. So you know, YouTube, bruh. When y'all say I didn't do the right thing, I did. The dog is just faster than its owner. Oh, I'm just gonna stop the video right here. Stay tuned for part 2. Let me know if you like part 1. Hit the thumb, you know. Thank you, people. Man. All right, back to what I was doing, bro.